Hi, Aimee here. Did you know what works best on the mouse in the house may not have the same effect on the rat out the back? Taking care of unwanted rodents means you need a solution that factors in the harsh and unpredictable Aussie weather. And a solution that works just as hard in less harsh environments, like this one. TALON XT Pro Rodenticide is tried, tested, and trusted globally. Its high weatherability and durability makes it the perfect option for maintenance and monitoring situations. I call it the endurance block. And introducing TALON GT Pro Rodenticide, or the buffet block. When there is high rodent activity and you want high uptake, this palatable extruded block allows for an improved range of rodent feeding preferences. TALON GT Pro now joins the proven TALON range of rodenticides with over 40 years trusted performance worldwide. These brodifacoum-based rodenticides kill rats and mice with a single feed. Get the complete TALON program for inside and outside control. TALON XT Pro and TALON GT Pro. They'd come back for more, if they could.